my channel. My name is Kandy. If you aren't subscribed yet,
you know what to do. You know what to do. You know what to do.
Okay, today is another unboxing of PR packages I've received, and actually I also wanted to show you guys some products that I bought for myself recently. Okay, so the first product I want to show you guys is this CALA brush set. This has got a beautiful rose gold finish. You've got a powder brush, blush, contour brush, blending brush, and a pencil brush, and you can buy these at Decay. I just ordered them from my hairdresser, but I think they're super cute and I can't wait to try them out. Then, you guys, this shop I found in mainland. It's like a Japanese store that sells almost anything you can think of that's weird and funky and different and beauty related and so the things I got is basically little cotton pads. I think this is so cute for my makeup table, and it was like 30 bucks. I got some lashes that I want to try out. This is like the weirdest thing. It's like a little circle paper thingy that you put in water and it becomes like a mask, and then you just put it on your face. So I'm really keen on trying this. I don't know how it will work. This was also like 30 rand for 40 more. And then I got hooded eyelid tapes. I tried these. I absolutely sucked at them. I'm gonna keep on trying until I figure it out, but this has got interesting, and I think it was like 15 rand for a packet of, I don't know, 200. And then these are little eyebrow shavers. I love using them for like in between my brows, above my brows, whenever I want to shave or anything like that. So they come in quite handy, and I think these were very expensive when I bought them at Acres Red Square, and this was like 15 rand. So if you're in mainland, check the store out. They've got some cool stuff, some stupid stuff as well, but I thought let me show it. The next few products, I bought them from Muse, and yes, I paid for them myself because some people started thinking that I'm sponsored by them, which is not the case. I support them a lot. I pay for a lot of my stuff. Sometimes they send me 1 or 2 items for free, but I've done it myself where I ordered products from overseas and it comes here and it works out way more expensive than when you just buy from Muse Beauty. The other thing I also mentioned about Muse Beauty is if something pictures up damaged or anything like that, they do exchange the product for you, which is super cool. So guys, how pretty is this? I am so lucky to have gotten my hands on these. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try out this palette. The new Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I love the first palette, so I think I'm gonna freaking love this one. Then I got the KKW powder contour kit. I've still got the contouring products which I ordered, and how pretty is that? And it's a big palette, so I think this one is pretty much worth it. I know a lot of people said the other one isn't, but I can't wait to use this. And then my lovely friends, I get so excited with makeup, especially if it's makeup that's not easily accessible in South Africa. So this is the famous Morphe Jaclyn Hill collab palette, which I'm very keen on trying. And yes, let's just put this down carefully. Then, y'all know I love me some good Urban Decay. So a lot of products in my kit I use is actually from Urban Decay, because I just really love the brand and I love the products, and I'm a big fan. I'm an Urban Decay junkie. Boom boom boom! These are the Naked Skin Shapeshifters. If you haven't seen them, they are basically the contouring and highlighting and color correcting palette, and I got the light to medium and medium to dark for my kit. I'm really excited to try these. I'm going to do a video on them soon, and there might just be a little giveaway. But this is what it looks like. That's the powder side, and then you have a little flip over mirror where you have your cream products. So the cream and powder does not touch. Yes, they retail for $8.50. They're available at Urban Decay store, Mainland, Sandton, and Fushini Eastgate, and V&A Cape Town, and Fushini online. I don't know if these will be available at Fushini yet, but Then I got these Naked Skin highlighting fluids. So it's basically like a pink and pearly one. I've got Aura and Luminous, and it's like a cream shimmery highlighter product. I got two Moondust eyeshadows. I love the Moondust palette, and it's just the perfect topping for any eyeshadow look you're doing. So I bought two extras that I know I'm going to need and use in my kit and on myself. I got the Special Effects Vice lip coat. This one has got like a holographic sort of vibe to it. Damn, mama. I want to call it holographic, but I don't really want to, because I received a comment on one of my videos lately saying,
oh my gosh, like why does she keep on saying holographic? Like it honestly irritates me because it's not holographic. Holographic is when there's different colors of the rainbow showing, and that is so not holographic.
So I'm just gonna say iridescent blue, pink, purpley, pearly color lip topper. Okay, getting into some PR stuff. Once again, I have to put this disclaimer out there. I'm really fortunate to be working with brands that want to work with me and want to have me try their products and stuff like that. So the products that I get, I'm very grateful for, and I cannot wait to try them. And why do we always have to do this disclaimer thing? Start with Diesel. If you guys didn't see our Diesel video with me and Kevin, go check it out. I'll link it up here for you guys to click on. They sent me a t-shirt saying perfection is boring, and it's a part of their new go with the flow campaign. It is a medium, which is a little bit too big for me, but I'm gonna have my mom like cut it to suit me, like make a little gym top out of it, you know. But I just love it. Perfection is boring. Go with the flow. Diesel, spot on with this campaign. I think it's so nice because it gets every person just to kind of embrace their flaws and kind of be like, hey, I'm not perfect. Perfect is boring. I'm me. Then Phytocare sent me a little parcel. I haven't opened this yet. I do have a coupon code if you guys want to order. I'll put all the details down below, maybe link it up here on the screen somewhere. But they've got some really nice facial oils and a firming body oil that I really like. I believe this is from their new collection. Damn girl, why you gotta be so tight? It's time to bring out the scissors. Okay. This is the Moisture Lock. Some oils tend to have quite a strong scent to them, but this one has no scent and it feels really moisturizing. Let's see this one. You ain't the boss of me. You ain't the boss of me. Okay, Elixir brightening and tightening. Oh, so this must be like a little eye cream, probably, I guess, that you put around the eye area. Diminish and prevent dark circles and fine, dark circles, okay, and fine lines while brightening the under eye area. That feels quite nice. I don't think this would be great for oily skin. I don't know, I'll have to try it out and see. It doesn't seem like a dry oil though, but it feels, it's got a quite a like herbal scent to it. Okay, this parcel is from Sunpack. So remember my previous PR unboxing video, I spoke about the shampoo and conditioner and also the hand lotion, and I didn't know who it was from. And it turns out it's from them. They sent me the new Australian Gold Sports Extreme Sport sunscreen. So one is aerosol, one is in a spritz formula. I love Australian Gold products. Smells so good. This parcel is from Urban Beauty United. Who's your super softie? Ooh. Okay, so Urban Beauty has launched their brush number 16, which they are saying she's extra large, she's extra soft, one dynamite lady, and you can use it to apply powder with and bronzer. It is such a cute little press pack. Let's see what this is. Ooh, girl, you're so soft. Got something from Trend Revolution. I think this is like an Instagram store. They asked me to choose some items that I wanted to try out. Take a selfie and win. Okay, so this is the Nug Mermaid Marine Peel Off Mask. You mix it with You mix it with water, apply it to your face, leave for 15 minutes and then peel it off. I really wanted to try this one. And then we have an exfoliating little sample face mask. This one is a revitalizing mask, and then this I also really wanted to try. This is the lip mask that hydrates and softens the lips, and it's really cute gold little ball. It's so cute. Again, if you want to try these products, I will list everything down below, where I've got everything, who I got it from, how you can buy it, Then I attended the launch of the new Kelso Beauty products, which is launching in mid-November. And Kelso is an Eckers brand, so they just came out with their makeup products that it's pretty affordable. They're creating 104 jobs with the launch of this product. It will be available at Eckers, and the most expensive item is your foundation, which is $249. Everything is below that, so it's going to be a pretty affordable brand. They've also got some body care products. So here you have a vanilla twist body butter. They've got like a hand wash. Keen on trying this illuminating primer because you know primer's a good thing to have. And then they also gave us all of the chubby sticks. So there's a black volumizing mascara, and then basically a whole bunch of shades of chubby sticks. I will probably film a separate video where I will just swatch them on for you guys, try them out and that sort of thing. But thank you so much, Kelso, for inviting me to the event and for giving me these products to try out, because girl, I am just all for new beauty products that are proudly South African. Okay, next up we have got a package from let's see, what is it here? Man, why am I struggling like that? They even address it to Candy Cane. Ooh, what is this? So many wrappings. It's so nice when they spend a lot of time wrapping the products and that sort of thing. I really just appreciate it, you know. I see you. We got some new Palladio bronzer. We have the new LA Girl Fiber Lash mascara, which I've heard a lot of reviews, good things about, which I've heard a lot about. And then we have, ooh girl, LA Girl Metal Liquid Lipstick. 2 different shades. I'm so keen on trying this. Okay, then we got another box. It's like a kid on Christmas Eve. I just cannot wait. I just can't wait. Smashbox. I'm really also a big fan of Smashbox products. I also use a lot of their products in my kit. And they say, dear Kandy, we hope you enjoy your new Smashbox color correcting sticks as much as we do. Girl. Oh my goodness, I got a cute little pencil that says Smashbox. This is going to be so handy for my diary because okay, so here we have the Look Less Tired and the Get Less Red color correcting sticks. Every sticker's got a sharpener in as well, which I think is pretty cool. And then this is what the actual product looks like. So obviously green goes on red. Ooh, that is so soft. And it blends out really well as well. Because that's my problem with color correcting products, is sometimes they struggle to blend out and then you see them through your foundation. But this seems like a really nice product, so I'm really keen on trying this. Thank you so much, Smashbox. Last but not least, today I attended the Sunpack event, and they are actually distributors for a lot of products like Real Techniques, Wet n Wild, Australian Gold like I mentioned before, a lot of hair care products like OGX and that sort of thing. Lovely PR breakfast events where they displayed some new products. They also displayed actually all of their products, and they also gave us a really nice goodie bag, which I'm just going to go through quickly because there's a lot of stuff in here that I'm so excited to try out. We've got like a little Real Technique sponge. I actually got this one, so I'll probably pop that in a giveaway sometime. We have a dry shampoo, we have a scrunchie, and then I also have some Wet n Wild products. We've got mascara over here, It's like the balm stain little lippies that I'm going to try out. And we also have a lip definer, some nude nails, and then also the shampoo and conditioner, which I'll probably also do a giveaway with for you guys. I'm collecting a whole bunch of stuff, buying a whole bunch of stuff to do a big giveaway soon. And then I also got Kevin some products. So this is a beard and tattoo oil, this is a shaving oil, and this is Soho fish fiber, which is like wax for the hair and stuff. So thank you so much Sunpack for the awesome goodie bag and the really nice events. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, and that basically wraps up this PR package and a mini haul sort of unboxing. We hope you guys enjoyed it and you see what's new, you see what's happening, you see what's hip and happening. Like I mentioned before, everything will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, stay sweet.